Hello everybody, Andrea Majewski here with Clean Eating Without Sacrifice. So I'm going to show you guys how to create your own party link because I just did a video about 2 seconds ago on how to place orders online and then add it through all to the same party, but so that it gets shipped to your customers right away, even if you don't actually submit the party right away because it might not qualify yet. So if you haven't seen the video, you should, because I typically create a party link at the beginning of the month and then I put all of the orders through. So I submit the party at the end of the month. So then that way I qualify, because with my customers, they just order anytime because, if somebody wants something, I don't want to tell them, oh, you have to wait till the end of the month. No, if they want something, they want it now. So I don't think it's fair for them to do that, but that's just me. But I realized that I didn't actually show you guys how to create your own party link. So I'm going to show you guys that now. So I'm just going to share my screen. So I just created a test account so that you couldn't see anybody's address. So this is not like a real account here. But all you have to do is you just have to go into your My Epicure website and click on ordering at the top here. Okay, and then it will take you to the order page, and on the left hand side you will see the words place and order. So you just click that and then it comes up here. So then this is your party link, plain and simple. So you would select the host. If I create a party link at the beginning of the month, the host is me, because I'll be placing all of those orders at the end of the month, and any free stuff comes to me because I'm actually holding the party. So this is the party link. So all I do is I copy this and I paste it into my Facebook group right away, and then I tell people, I put it in the description also. So then that way, if I get any new customers and they want to order, then they know to click that link and they can order pretty much for themselves anytime. So they don't have to order through me if they don't want to. They can just place the order online and it gets shipped to them right away. So this is the party link here. That's all it is. So make sure that they do click that link, so then that way it goes through to that party. But the nice thing is that if you ever get a customer order and you realize like, oh, it didn't get sent through to my party link, then all you have to do is you just have to send an email, or I've gone on live chat before, to the customer service and just say, hey, this customer placed an order, they didn't put it through to the proper link. Can you attach it to the party link that I have open now? And they say yes. As long as you're able to do it right away, then they should be able to do that. I'm sure if it's been a couple hours later, it should be fine, but I haven't tried that yet. So if you ever have that issue, customer service is awesome. So I hope that helps you guys. If you guys have any questions, let me know, and thank you so much for watching.